In this tutorial, learn how to create this dynamic 3D neon text wrap effect in Photoshop. Import your image into Photoshop. Go to the toolbar on the left and select the Object Selection tool. Click on the Select Subject button. Once the selection is active, go to your Layers panel and press Ctrl+J to duplicate the subject. Next, choose the Type tool from the toolbar. Click anywhere on your canvas and type out your text. Here, I am using Ronaldo. Press Ctrl+T to bring up the transform handles, then resize and scale the text dramatically. Now look at the top properties bar, click on the warp icon, change the style to cylinder, and adjust the bend slider to create a smooth 3D ribbon effect. To create the interlocking depth illusion, select your text layer and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+J now. Now press Ctrl+T on this new copy, open the warp settings again, and individually adjust the cylinder paths so it matches perfectly with the first layer. Once both layers are aligned, drag this duplicated text layer directly underneath your subject layer in the layer panel. Select both text layers together, click the chain icon to link them, and press Ctrl+T to tilt and rotate the overall group to match the dynamic movement of your subject. Now, select the top text layer and click the mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel to add a white layer mask. Grab the brush tool from your toolbar and match these exact settings. Set the size to around 25 and the hardness to 0%. Making sure your foreground color is set to black, carefully paint over the arm and leg areas where the text should pass behind the body to create a flawless 3D wrap. To make the text pop, double-click the top text layer to open up the Layer Styles window. Check the outer glow option and adjust the blending mode, opacity, and color to match the vibrant tone of your subject's kit. Once you are happy with the neon look, hit OK. Right-click this text layer, choose Copy Layer Style, then right-click your second text layer and select Paste Layer Style to apply the exact same glow. For the final touch, create a brand new blank layer right above your all layers. Select a large, soft brush tool, change the brush opacity to 60%, and set the flow to 80%. Select your vibrant neon color, change the brush size to something large, and make 2 to 3 quick clicks right behind your subject to drop a massive atmospheric stadium glow. And just like that, you are done. And that's how you turn a flat design into a high-energy cinematic graphic. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more premium Photoshop content. Keep creating, and I'll see you next time.